Which part do you want? The legs?
Under 16 cents cheaper.
Oh my god. So juicy.
I can't believe those people they just walk out there with 4 5-gallon jugs, and I was standing with my one watching.
They saw you.
Oh yeah, I was right.
Really? They did not like, you can go ahead and like, you go first or something.
Well, not this.
I hope it's really, oh love. It's fit well. Oh.
Okay. You got paper now? Give me paper.
Is it for the one?
You got a hammer? I was in line, and I was like, I'm gonna just only get the Del Rey water, so I got candy bars. So I got candy bars.
No, no.
Right have your candy as a milk in it. Did you like?
I think you think that I like that.
Is that what the old is?
Love, you want this, love? And you want this potato?
Yeah.
Okay. You can choose ketchup or you want the soy sauce that I made. Or the, you want more? This is enough or more? For all that is chicken. But it's hard, man. It's hard. One more. I like the legs part. Maybe you don't have the scissor. No, probably it's really easy for you to have the scissor one. Just got it. See? Okay. Here, love. It's ready. Okay. You can actually, if you want, I can put this one up.
You know the potato seeds?
Yep. Season. Yeah, I will eat some rice. Let's judge it, love. I hope it tastes good. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. Maybe it's more delicious if there's like lemongrass. I like this one. How is it? Good, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Nga guys, meron pala ako ditong Knorr cubes, tapos tinunaw ko lang siya sa 1 cup water, no? Tapos magdadagdag ako ng 6.5 cup ng water, then 1 half cup ng soy sauce, and then i-adjust nyo lang siya guys ha, kung medyo kulang pa or medyo maalat, i-adjust nyo lang siya, magdagdag lang kayo ng water din. The same measurement ng ating tawag niyan oyster sauce, then itong salt. Optional lang din itong ating liquid seasoning. Kung wala kayo, okay lang din wala. Ayan. Tapos pwede kayong mag-add ng sugar dito guys. 1 half cup din. Para medyo matamis-namis ang inyong chicken, no? So ako hindi ako nag-add. And then black pepper and itong ating lemon. Since wala kaming calamansi dito, mahirap maghanap ng calamansi, ito na lang lemon. Tapos isang buong lemon yan guys. Tapos hihiwain ko yung balat, tapos isasali ko na din yun siya dyan. So ayan. Tapos mag-a-add pala ako dito ng all time na seasoning. Kung wala kayo nito, okay lang din guys. Optional lang yan. So ayan, haluin yung mabuti, and then make sure na malamig na masyado yung mixture nyo o yung tubig bago nyo ilagay yung manok para hindi masira yung manok nyo, no? So ayan, make sure na nakababad siya ng mabuti, and then tatakpan natin ng cling wrap at saka ilagay natin sa chiller. Ayan. Yan na nga guys, i-ready na natin ang ating mga palaman sa ating chicken, no? Ilalagay natin dito sa stomach ng ating chicken. So ayan, meron ako ditong sibuyas dahon. Ayan. Pwede nyo naman din yan putulin lang or like hatiin sa gitna. And then fresh na itong red onion. Ang lalaki ng red onion nila dito guys. And then hiwain lang din natin siya ng pahaba. Like that lang. Oh. Yan. Pwede na yan. Tapos fresh lemon. Ayan. Konti lang naman yung ilalagay ko. So ayan. Ito na din yung ating chicken. So, ayan, inayos ko lang yung camera. Tapos, ready na din yung pan. Kukunin ko lang yung lemon na kagabi pa yan. So, ayan, ilalagay ko ng ating fresh onion and then lemon. I-arrange lang natin ng mabuti guys. Ayan. Itong ating onion leeks. So, mas masarap sana din siya pag merong lemongrass. Pero, walang lemongrass dito, guys. Mahirap maghanap. So, ayan. And then, mas maganda din sana pag natalian ko ito. Pero, wala akong pangtali. Nakalimutan kong bumili. So, pwede na yan. And then, lulutuin na natin itong ating chicken sa 350 Fahrenheit. Tapos, hindi pa siya kasya. So, inayos ko muna. So, ayan, habang niluluto natin yung chicken, na-ready ko na din itong ating potato kasi i-bake ko siya. Tapos, pinunuasyon ko siya ng paper towel. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa pan. And then, i-arrange lang natin and ilagay natin ng salt, pepper, and itong ating vegetable oil or olive oil kung meron kayo. Ayan. Tapos, chinek ko siya. Ito na yung ating chicken after 20 minutes. Ang bango na. So, ayan. Ready na din ang ating potato. So, after 1 hour, guys, ayan na ang itsura ng ating chicken. Babaliktarin ko lang siya. Tapos, magpapahid ako ng itong liquid seasoning at saka itong black pepper, no? Mag-a-add ako. Kasi, hindi siya masyadong red, no? Medyo puti pa yung chicken. So, ito try natin. Kung meron kayong soy sauce or yung tuyo, pwede din i-massage nyo ng tuyo or yung soy sauce. Mas maganda kasi pupula talaga yung skin. Ayan, and then mag-add ako ng konting-konting butter lang naman. Unsalted ito. And then, i-ready na natin. Tapos, change ko pala yung temperature to 400 Fahrenheit. So, lulutuin ko siya into 30 minutes lang, guys. Ayan. Para naman maganda yung resulta. So, ayan.
Hello guys! After 2 hours of cooking our Philippine style lechon manok, ayan, naluto na siya, guys. Ito siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Look at that, ang sarap. Ayan, guys, ang sarap niya, guys. Look at that. Diba? Ang sarap. Tapos, ito din yung baked potato natin. Ayan. Diba? Sarap. Sarap niya, guys. So, ayun guys, kanina, paglagay ko dito sa ating lutuan or sa ating baking pan, itong ating tawag nito chicken, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng sauce or ng tawag niyan, ng soy sauce or niram ng soy sauce. So, after 1 hour, hindi ko lang siya na-videohan, no? After 1 hour, medyo hindi siya ganito yung kulay. So, ang ginawa ko, what I did is that I get soy sauce and rub it all over outside. Just I use this, by the way, I use this to rub it all over the skin outside. So, para naman maganda yung kulay niya. So, sinalang ko ulit siya together. No, hindi kasali ito. So, 30 minutes, biniligtad ko siya. So, nilagay ko ng soy sauce yung sa likod. And then, binake ulit siya ng 30 minutes for 400 Fahrenheit. So, within 30 minutes. So, after yun, maganda yung kulay, maganda yung result niya kasi naging brown siya. So, biniligtad ko ulit siya. And then, nirub ko ulit yung soy sauce doon sa chicken natin. Ayan, sa chicken natin. Ayan. So, after ko nirub ko siya, sinet ko ulit yung ating oven into 400 Fahrenheit Celsius. Ayan. Tapos, sinali ko na itong ating baked potato, no? So, sa baked potato natin, nag-add lang ako dito ng butter, unsalted butter, para naman masarap yung pagkakaluto, no? So, sinabay ko na siya, guys, within 30 minutes. Ito na yung resulta. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!